50 HPs, and these are the starters to each of them. So you would see that we have about 10. Very good evening everyone, my name is Roshan Jayaram and I'm a representative of Green Gyro Powertech Private Limited. Along with me is Sir Mr. Ramraj. So Sir is actually the great inventor of the flywheel technology, and he is present amongst us. So Sir, how are you, sir?
How are you, Ramraj?
Yeah, wonderful, sir, wonderful. Sir is all good. So if you actually do come here and see, today's date is February 28th, Wednesday of 2024. So today we'll be showing you a live demo of the load testing for a 50 kilowatt on-grid flywheel technology. So if you would come along, I'll just give you a quick tour of everything. So as you'll have all seen, this is the 50 kilowatt plant which is here. The alternator is 50 kilowatt. There we have a distribution box, and then we also have a bidiversity meter. So if you would see from the transformer line, there is a cable which comes in, so there's an import which will come and an export also which happens. So the import is coming from the Westcom, and you would see there's this other big cable which comes in over here. So this shows from Escom, which is coming directly from the power supply. And then the 15 HP motor, if you notice this one cable, it goes all the way to the starter, and then from there the entire machine will start running. Now to show that the load testing tends to happen, we have actually connected it to a series of 5 HP motors. So we have 10 of them, so there are overall 50 HPs, and these are the starters to each of them. So you would see that we have about 10 panels over here. Each has a start and stop button. So we will individually be pressing one by one, by which we will keep showing a load increment, which will tend to happen from 5 HP all the way up to 50 HP. So there will be 10 increments which will happen. So in this 10 increments, we will be able to actually notice the load which the 50 kilowatt plant can take, and from there we will be able to show you and prove to y'all that this particular test can successfully happen. So come, let's see how exactly this works. Right here, with great pride, I would like to introduce Srinivasa sir.
No.
So sir is actually the chairman of Green Gyro Powertech Private Limited, and like what I previously mentioned, Shri Ramraj sir. So to all those who actually do not know a lot about sir being the inventor, sir was actually a farmer. But since he had enthusiasm towards electromechanical things, he has dedicated about 32 years of his life towards this invention which you actually see over here. So on doing so is where we've got this beautiful invention, and he's also a part of this company. So from there, we are going to take you forward on how exactly this particular machine drives forward. So please come along with me. Sir, with your permission, can I go ahead?
Please.
Thank you so much, sir. So please do come. I will be showing you all the entire working on how it works. So first we'll have to start the machine. So coming to the starter over here, these are all the representatives also of Green Gyro Powertech. So now we'll be actually starting the machine. Please start. So now if you see, the input has come in from Escom, and then the motor starts running. So if you come along with me, okay, the flywheels are turning, which will make the entire sequence to happen from there. From the alternator, the power will come. We have to go to the distribution box. Now the distribution box, you will hear a particular noise. So once you hear the noise, it will show that the power is synchronized. Let's wait to hear the noise. So now you have heard this particular noise. That means the power is being synchronized. And then you would actually see over here that the number of kilowatts which is being shown is 40 kilowatts. We will now disconnect the power source. So now, like what I told, initially we had taken the power from Escom. So now we will disconnect this male and female plug which is there. So you heard the disconnection has taken place. Now we'll even pull out the plugs in order to show that there is no input power which is being given. So here we have taken the plugs, we have kept them over here, and if you also notice here, there is zero input which is coming up. You can coming from all sides. And notice the motor is still running. This is the flywheel. You'll be able to see the tachometer, all of it. Please witness the reality which we are actually telling. The tachometer RPM comes in. Now the multimeter I will actually show you. So at 0 input, you will notice. Look at the readings over here. We're getting 49 amps. 53 amps. Power generation, that too without any input. So we are coming over here, you are seeing again like what I told previously, kilowatts, 40 kilowatts. Now this machine, what you'll actually see is a bidiversity meter. This bidiversity meter will actually show the import and export of power which happens. So you would notice a particular cable which comes over there. This is the cable coming directly from the grid and it will go back to the grid. Now moving over, now if you will come over here to show you the actual working of the load testing. So this is what the power which goes to the 15 HP motor, the starting motor. And you notice it, this is the cable. The cable that we actually removed. So you can see this is the starter. There is no additional power which is being provided. Bar, you can actually see there will be an output which will come. This cable comes all the way over here. These are our other panels which are going to be. Now, if you see, each of them has a start and stop button. We will be bringing one by one load each of the 5 HP motor. So here, our other representative of Green Gyro will keep switching on each. So these are the cables which you can see. Here you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 cables to 10 motors of 5 HP each. So you would see there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So we have 10 motors which are set up over here. So now Shivam will switch on each of these starters one by one. Shivam, please. So today, Wednesday, February 28, 2024. So I would actually like to congratulate our sir inventor. So Mr. Ramdas sir, congratulations. Chairman sir, Mr. Chairman, congratulations. The congratulations is because you can actually see the load testing is complete. So for the entire 50 kilowatt high wheel technology, we have conducted a successful load testing, and you can see the actual functionality over here. We showed you all the entire showcasing. So this is a great celebration for Green Gyro Powertech Private Limited, and we have the two big people over here, the inventor along with the chairman. My heartfelt congratulations to you, sir. Thank you for making energy a much more beautiful way. Thank you.